Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day today. It's gone. The turban is gone. I know some of you guys. Listen, it really wasn't that bad. I thought personally it was really stylish. Everywhere I went, people kept asking like, where is it from? Where did I get it? I really enjoyed wearing it, but some of you guys again was really bothered by the fact that I was wearing it every single day. And I get it. It was getting a little tiresome, but I really just didn't feel like doing my hair. Number two, I met up with a subscriber and she was just the cutest, and her name is Growing Up Adonis. So there's about 4 or 5 of you guys that are just extremely consistent. I'm sure there's more, but when I think of like any names that pop up, like these are the 5, I may not be able to tell them like right now, like off the dome, but for sure, Growing Up Adonis, C-Bean, Cassie, Cookie, and Daybreaker. You see how I just gave you their name? Because they always comment. And I think I remember Cassie because she's like, I've been working all week, but I'm here. And she'll watch 4 or 5 videos back to back on her days off. So I know I can, it's the weirdest thing. I'm not friends with you guys personally, but I kind of know your schedule, which is like kind of weird too. But Growing Up Adonis DM me and she says, and I may be saying this wrong, she says, good morning. I have a quick question for you. If I was styled by Casanova, where would I be right now? And I'm like, probably headed to PM Chang's for some lunch. It was actually the day that I was putting together the IKEA Billy bookcase and stuff. So then we ended up going to the restaurant, and I think she can attest that I eat a lot. She didn't get to see me eat because she had to leave, but she let me know that her husband had a trip and he was coming to Atlanta. She said she was just coming to get away, but I think she was coming to come see me. But I just wanted to give her a really quick shout out really quickly and just say it was really nice meeting you and getting to give you a hug and everything like that. And hopefully next time it isn't so short. I got really busy the next day, so I couldn't, you know, see her and stuff like that. But it was really nice seeing a subscriber in person. It was really, really nice. I always see you guys out, especially here in Atlanta, like going into the stores and things like that. And you guys are just really amazing. Words of encouragement, just really nice, just super supportive, and it's just been really, really great. I just wanted to say thank you so very much. But anyway, if that wasn't a long enough intro, I have one more thing to just mention, okay? I dropped my suitcase on my finger. I cannot put a nail on it right now. It needs to kind of grow out. First time in like, what, 5-6 years of me wearing extensions on my nails. But yeah, I broke it. I can't put a nail on it. So we're gonna pretend that you guys don't see that, okay? We're just gonna, ooh, it's not there, okay? What I want to do in today's video is share with you guys a really quick luxury haul. I know I haven't done these in like a really long time. Not because I haven't been buying anything, because I have. I just didn't really feel the need to share it anymore, but a lot of you guys have been asking, so I feel like, okay, well, you know. So the first bag that I'm gonna share with you guys is this beauty right here, and she is called the Louis Vuitton Kensington, which I absolutely love. And it's so crazy because when I got this bag, I wasn't even supposed to purchase it. I'm trying to think what I got for my birthday last year. I know last year was when I started with Toya's house. And I bought a bag. I just don't remember what I bought. But I know when I bought that bag, I asked about this bag and they told me they only had 3 in stock. And I was just like, okay. And so every other month I would call, and when they told me they only had 2 more left, I was like, let me just go ahead and get it. I didn't want to spend the money at the time, but I really, 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 really wanted this bag. I'm sure a lot of you guys know by now, I'm not a fan of the Neverfull. Before you judge, okay? It's not that I'm against the bag. I really believe it's what you see around you. My mom uses the Neverfull as her gym bag. So for me, I can't get that out of my head. Like when I see the bag, I automatically associate it with a gym bag. I do go to the gym here and there, but it's not to the point where I feel like I need a whole separate bag for it. So I just wasn't interested in the bag. So let me just say that, okay? But In terms of the Kensington, I thought the construction of it was just better and I would get more use out of it, and it was also work friendly, and it's really an everyday bag. I love the gold hardware above here with the V, which I thought was just really nice and classy. You guys already know that I am a top handle girl. Something about it to me is just like super chic, especially when you kind of put it on like the crook of your arm, or you kind of hold it next to you real posh like. I think it's just like super cute. And then I actually need to take this one out, but I have my Honda mug. So if you guys don't know, if you're new to my channel, she's a Honda girl. And when I say I'm a Honda girl, I think I have like 4 or 5 Honda hats now. And the other day I went to go get my car service and I saw a Honda hoodie, and yes, I'm gonna get it. Yeah, look at this. Oh, I'm gonna have so much. I gotta drink it like this so you guys can actually get. Oh, it screws. No. Oh, that's not good. I can't even. Oh, this kind of sucks. I was hoping I could drink it and it'd be on the Honda side. Like, Honda's not paying me for this video, but I like what I like. I like what I like, and I love my Honda, you guys. For me, that was a luxury buy. I'm sure someone's gonna say it's not, but let me just tell you, that price tag, it was a luxury buy, okay? But anyway, so yeah, this bag is a Kensington. If you are interested in a review on it, there's like so many different videos on YouTube. I'll find someone that is on YouTube that was talking about this bag, that way you guys can see it. But I'm not gonna go into like a full review. I do love the fact that I have the feet at the bottom. I don't know that Neverfull has feet. I can't remember, because again, that wasn't really a bag that I was ever interested in. And again, you guys, the construction is super stiff. You can unclamp this if you want to get a little bit more room in here, and if you have absolutely nothing and you just want to be real cute and everything, you just take that and take. I mean, the bag is extremely wearable. For me, when it comes to handbags, it's not about the name or the brand or anything like that. I just want a bag that's, number one, is going to be well constructed. Number two, is going to last. Number three, it can support my lifestyle. That's all that I look for. And I did start from the lower tier, and then I worked my way up onto the higher brands before I got here. Okay? My mother, my sweet mama. So if you guys don't know, if you've missed this whole Instagram, the month of September, and you missed my community post in September, and you missed my YouTube videos in September, allow me to catch you up really quickly. September is my birthday month, and it just so happened that this year I turned 35. With that being said, there's just one thing that I just couldn't let go of, and I kept saying that I really wanted to get a Chanel for my birthday. You guys already know, in the middle of house, car, furniture, a bunch of stuff. So I really just said, you know what, whatever, if I don't get it, it's fine. I'm doing a whole lot. And then I also had to do my branding and some other stuff. I'll let you guys know. Right now I just can't say anything because, you know, the devil be trying to hear what you gotta say. You know, I'm trying to talk my blessings, okay? With that being said, my mom called me and she said, what do you want for your birthday? And I was like, you know what, Ma, don't worry about it, because, you know, if anything comes up and I need help, like, you know, I know that I'm gonna probably have to reach out to you and stuff like that. And she was just like, girl, shut up. What you want for your birthday? I was like, well, I really want the Chanel bag. So I went online and I ended up finding a Chanel bag, and my mom got it for me. So I'm super, super grateful. Thank you, Mom. And if you're wondering, yes, I am my mother's only child. Let me say this now. I had to kind of put that disclaimer in there because I seen some comments where they were like, I hope she's that nice with your other siblings. What other siblings, girl, since you think you know me so well? What other siblings? Where they at though? Where they at? I don't have any other siblings. I am my mother's only child. We haven't always seen eye to eye on things, and we haven't always agreed. Our relationship hasn't always been what it is, but the last couple of years it's been really, really amazing, and I have a really good friend in my mom. But anyway, moving right along. So this is the bag that I ended up selecting for my mom to grab for me, and I just really loved it. I loved the two-tone colors on it. I believe it's called the Ballerine Wallet on a Chain, and it's actually bigger than the Wallet on Chain, which I will get that bag so I can do a comparison. The reason why I wanted this bag is I felt like it matched me in terms of my attire. I'm always like a jeans and a shirt, jeans and a t-shirt, you know, blazer with jeans. So I felt like the bottom was really dressy, but then the top of it was just really casual. It does have the C's right here on the top. It's just really nice, you guys. It's just really beautiful. It has a pocket on the back side of it right here, so when you open it, like, you can just kind of slide a little couple cash in here. What I will say is, which my mom is a little bit more familiar with Chanel than I am, I only have 2. When you open it, the inside isn't leather, and she said that's probably why the price was the way that it was priced. I'm not gonna say how much it was still expensive, but in comparison to how much the all leather is, this was about $300 or $400 cheaper. And then on the inside, it has that burgundy on the interior. So this one here is the all black wallet on a chain, just so you see a comparison. And the entire, yes, I'll leave my tissue and stuff in there, the entire interior is leather on the inside. See that? So that's why I said there's like a difference between the two, and there's a difference in size also. Just want to show you guys really quickly, because look at that. So that's why I didn't want to go this route again in like a different color. But if you see the size, well, this is the front, hold on. If you see the size in comparison, this one here is just bigger, and I really do love it. Just a really great bag. It looks like the size may be, yeah, the size may be the same. I feel like I got a little bit more of a bang for the buck on this one than this one, because I want to say these were the same price, but this is just a little bit of a bigger bag. When I went to LA, I spoke to you guys about The Real, and I told you that I absolutely love the site for shoes, and I did wear one of the shoes to the event, and it was really comfortable. I enjoyed wearing it, but today I wanted to sit down and actually share this with you guys again. So this one here is a Tom Ford, and you guys, the shoe is love. I really love the shoe. I'm definitely a stiletto girl. I don't know when in my life these legs and these toes and these feet isn't going to be able to wear 4-inch heels any longer, but for right now I'm definitely loving it. I do wear between like a 7 and a 7.5, so when it comes to the more designer shoe, I do wear 8 or 8.5, and I'm so thankful that my feet are as small as they are, because I feel like there's just a really larger option for shoes. If you're trying to get a bang for your buck, 100% consignment. I have the foot fungus and the shoe cleaner thing, and when I buy the shoes, I like clean it, spray it down, put my little insole deodorizers up in there, and call it a day. And I haven't had any issues, and I've been buying shoes on consignment now for I would say anywhere for like 9 years, because it started after my pregnancy when my shoes didn't fit anymore and I had to start all over again. I think I'll share that with you guys if you are not new to my channel. I love the metal detailing on the front. These are a size 38. So these are 38, and they fit really nice. It really conforms to your feet, and it feels like a glove, and they're just super comfortable. I don't know if I can wear these all day, but I will say for the time being that I did wear them, which was about 4 or 5 hours, I didn't have any issue with discomfort or anything that. These heels also fall under about the 4-inch, and you can see underneath, like I wore these 4 times. So when I bought them, they didn't have anything on the bottom, so whoever owned them probably just had it in the house or something like that. So guess what, let other people spend their money, and you just wait when they're done with it and you buy it, okay? Because I was just like, these were like $260, but when I went online to find them, they were up there in like the 700 and the 800. So I'm just like, let other people spend their coins, okay? These booties here are Kirkwood, and they are just so nice. I love the black, and it's like a black and blue also on the front, the peep toe on it, just really nice. I think there's consistency in it. Listen, I like what I like, and I hardly ever change what I like. And what I mean by that is you can see like the two-tone in my stuff and my pieces, even in my clothes. I love the strappy shoe. I actually want to find some more strappy shoes in like nude and black. Again, I'm gonna let other people spend their money, and then I'm just gonna buy them once I make it. These were $145, you guys, and the original price on these was like $400 or $500. So thank you. So that is pretty much it for the video today, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed the haul. It's going to be a while before I do another haul like this, just because the next couple of months my focus is going to be trying to get things together and then furniture. So that's what my focus is going to be the next couple of months. Might even be a year or two. Hopefully I wasn't too long or too talkative in today's video, but I will see you guys next time.